Will you play piano?
I can't play it well.
Will you learn to cook?
I don't like cooking.
Will you stay with me?
I have to leave soon.
Will you answer the phone?
My phone is on silent.
Will you check the trash?
I already took it out.
Will you catch a movie?
I don't have time today.
Will you wear a suit?
I don't own a suit.
Will you visit Grandma?
I am busy this weekend.
Will you write a book?
I don't have ideas.
Will you help me shop?
I don't like shopping.
Will you wash your hands?
I just washed them.
Will you fix the computer?
I don't know how to.
Will you organize the files?
I don't know where to start.
Will you build a fort?
I don't have materials.
Will you choose a song?
I can't decide right now.
Will you help me write?
I am not good at writing.
Will you play a sport?
I am not very athletic.
Will you go ice skating?
I don't know how to skate.
Will you tell me a joke?
I am not very funny.
Will you go to the concert?
I don't like big crowds.
Will you visit the museum?
I don't like museums much.
Will you listen to my ideas?
I'm not in the mood.
Will you show me your city?
I don't know it well either.
Will you go for a drive?
I don't have a license.
Will you lend me your charger?
I need it for my phone.
Will you come to my art show?
I have other commitments.
Will you join me for a concert?
I don't really like concerts.
Will you visit the aquarium?
I've been there too many times.
Will you join me for brunch?
I'm not a brunch person. Will you swim with me?
I forgot my swimsuit.
Will you visit my school?
I am not allowed there.
Will you water the plants?
I always forget to do that.
Will you walk with me?
I have to finish my work.
Will you run a race?
I am not in shape.
Will you join a club?
I don't have time for that.
Will you clean the car?
I don't have time now.
Will you give me a hug?
I have a cold now.
Will you pack my bag?
I don't know what to pack.
Will you bake a cake?
I don't have the ingredients.
Will you visit my parents?
I have other plans.
Will you take a photo?
I don't have a camera.
Will you tell me your secrets?
I can't keep secrets well.
Will you play a board game?
I'm not good at games.
Will you watch my pet?
I'm not good with animals.
Will you join me for a picnic?
I'm not fan of bugs.
Will you help me brainstorm ideas?
I'm not feeling creative today.
Will you show me your favorite spot?
I don't have a favorite.
Will you try a new restaurant?
I'm not adventurous with food.
Will you write a poem with me?
I'm not very poetic.
Will you help me with my blog?
I'm not tech savvy at all.
Will you show me how to cook?
I'm still learning myself.